Cutting sugar from your diet can be a game changer for your health, helping to boost energy levels, improve mood, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. By making small, mindful swaps, like choosing fruit over candy or opting for unsweetened beverages, you can still enjoy delicious flavors without the negative effects of added sugars. The hidden sugar problem. If you think sugar is only in sweets and soft drinks, think again. Sugar is everywhere, from biscuits, fruit juices, and packaged snacks to even our beloved chai. Added sugar is a huge problem in our life, contributing to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Why sugar is addictive? Sugar is not just a treat, it's addictive. It triggers the release of dopamine, the same feel-good chemical released by alcohol and drugs. No wonder it's so hard to resist that extra laddu or that sugary tea. The question is, what happens when you finally quit? The first few days, the battle begins. Brace yourself. The first few days without sugar are a real challenge. Your body, so used to that sweet fix, starts protesting. Cravings hit hard. You might feel headaches creeping in, fatigue weighing you down, and mood swings making you irritable over the smallest things. It almost feels like your body is throwing a tantrum, demanding sugar back. But hold on, this phase is temporary. 1 week later, the light at the end of the tunnel. Then, something amazing starts to happen. The cravings? They're not as strong anymore. Your energy? It's more stable, no longer crashing after every sugar spike. You might even notice your digestion improving. Your gut is finally getting a break from all that sugar overload. Junk food suddenly doesn't seem as tempting. You're starting to take control. 2 weeks later, clearer skin and restful nights. Ever noticed how too much sugar leads to acne breakouts? Well, 2 weeks in, your skin thanks you. It looks clearer, healthier, and less inflamed. And sleep? Oh, what a difference. No more tossing and turning. Your body finally gets the deep, restful sleep it was missing. Without sugar interfering with your melatonin levels, your nights feel peaceful. 1 month later, a healthier, lighter you. Now the real transformation begins. You step on the scale and notice the numbers dropping. Your clothes fit better. Your face looks slimmer. It's not just weight loss, your body is actually healing. Your cholesterol levels improve, your heart feels healthier, and those nagging joint pains? They're fading. This isn't just about quitting sugar anymore, it's about gaining health. 3 months later, a whole new you. Fast forward 3 months and you barely recognize yourself. Your energy levels are through the roof. Your mind feels sharper, more focused. Even your taste buds have changed. Fruits taste sweeter and you don't crave sugar the way you once did. What once felt impossible now feels like the best decision you ever made. Sweetness without the guilt. But wait, giving up sugar doesn't mean saying goodbye to sweetness. Nature has its own delicious alternatives. Instead of refined sugar, you can enjoy the rich sweetness of jaggery, the natural goodness of honey, or the chewy delight of dates. Fruits like mango, banana, and chiku satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. Who needs processed sugar when nature's candy exists? Final thoughts, is it worth it? Absolutely. Cutting sugar is one of the best things you can do for your health. You'll feel better, look better, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, are you ready to say goodbye to sugar and hello to a healthier life? That's all for now. See you in the next one.